Good morning, everybody. I am S. Madhavan, Associate Professor in Commerce, SKSS Arts College, Tirupparanthal. We are going to see what are the various methods of cost accounting. Before entering into the chapter, let us see the meaning of cost accounting. The cost accounting is a process of collecting, recording, classifying, analyzing, summarizing, allocating, and evaluating various alternative courses of action and control of cost. Its goal is to advise the management on the most appropriate course of action based on the cost efficiency and capability. Cost accounting provides the detailed cost information that management needs to control current operations and plan for future. Let us see what are the various methods of cost accounting. 1. Unit costing. 2. Job costing. 3. Contract costing. 4. Batch costing. 5. Operating costing. 6. Process costing. 7. Multiple costing. 8. Uniform costing. Let us see the meaning of the various methods of cost accounting. 1. Unit costing. This method, also called single output costing. This method of costing is used for products which can be expressed in identical quantitative units and is suitable for products which are manufactured by continuous manufacturing activity. Costs are ascertained for convenient units of output. This type of costing is used in bricks manufacturing units, mining industry, cement industry, dairy products, flour mills, etc. Second one, job costing. Under this method, costs are ascertained for each work order separately as each job has its own specification and scope. This type of costing is adopted normally in painting, car repairs, decoration, repairs of building, etc. Third one is contract costing. Under this method, cost is done for big jobs which involve heavy expenditure and structures over a period, and often it is undertaken at different sites. Each contract is treated as a separate unit for costing. This is also known as terminal costing. Construction of bridge, roads, building, etc. come under contract costing. Fourth one, batch costing. This method of costing is used where the units produced in a batch are uniform in nature and design. For the purpose of costing, each batch is treated as a job or separate unit. This type of costing is used in bakery, pharmaceuticals, etc. Usually use batch costing method. Fifth one, operating costing or service costing, where the cost of operating a service such as nursing home, bus, railway or chartered bus, etc. This method of costing is used to ascertain the cost of such a particular service. Each particular service is treated as separate unit in operating cost. In the case of nursing home, a unit is treated as the cost of bed per day, and for bus operating cost for a kilometer is treated as units. Sixth one, process costing. This kind of costing is used for the products which go through different processes. For example, in manufacturing class goes through different processes. First process is spinning. The output of spinning is yarn. It is a finished product which can be sold in the market to the weavers as well as used as a raw material for weaving in the same manufacturing unit. For the purpose of finding out the cost of yarn, the cost of spinning process is to be ascertained. The second step is the weaving process. The output of weaving process is cloth, which also can be sold as a finished product in the market. In such a case, the cost of cloth need to be evaluated. The third process is converting the cloth into finished product such as shirt or trouser, etc. Each process is to be evaluated separately as the output of each process can be treated as a finished goods as well as concerned as a raw material for the next process. In such process costing is used to ascertain the cost at each stage of production. Seventh one, multiple costing. When the output comprises many assembled parts or components, such in television, motor car or electronics gadgets, cost have to be ascertained for each components as well as the finished product. Such costing may involve different method of costing for different components. Therefore, this type of costing is known as composite costing or multiple costing. Eighth one, uniform costing. This is not a separate method of costing. This is a system of using the same method of costing by a number of firms in the same industry. It is treated as a common system of using agreed principles and standard accounting practices in the identical firm or industry. This help in fixation of price of the product and inter-firm comparisons. Next we can see types of costing. There are different types or techniques of costing are used in cost accounting. The different types of costing is used in different industries to analyze and presenting cost for the purpose of control and managerial decisions. The generally used types of costing are as follows. Marginal costing. In marginal costing, it allocates only variable cost, that is direct materials, direct labor and other direct expenses and variable overheads to the production. It does not take into account the fixed cost of production. This type of costing emphasizes the distinction between fixed and variable cost. Absorption costing. The technique of observing the fixed and variable cost to production is called absorption costing. Under absorption costing, full cost, that is fixed and variable cost, are absorbed to the production. Standard costing. When costs are determined in advance on certain predetermined standards under a given set of operating conditions, it is called standard costing. Standard costing is to be compared with the actual cost periodically to analyze the changes in the cost to revise the standard to avoid any loss due to outdated costing. Historical costing. When costs are determined in terms of actual cost and not in terms of predetermined standard cost is called historical costing. In this system of cost accounting, costs are determined only after they have been incurred. Almost all organizations use historical costing system of accounting for cost. Direct costing. Practice of charging all direct cost, variable and some fixed cost relating to operations, processes or products, leaving all other costs to be written off against profit in which they are arise.